Good afternoon, my dear class 8 student. Welcome back again in your English class. Dear student, last time we have some explanation about Unit 2, that was family, and under that unit we are going to read chapter 5, that is My Mother. My Mother, it is a poem. It is a very beautiful poem written by our great politician and a scientist, Sir APJ Abdul Kalam. So, before starting that chapter 5, My Mother, let us learn something. Let us have some information about our great person, APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Let us have some information about him. So if it is visible on your screen, you can see on the screen, it is all about Abdul Kalam sir. Abul Pakir Zainulabdin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician. Abdul Kalam, Sir Abdul Kalam का full name अबुल फ़ाकिर ज़ैनुलाब्दीन अब्दुल कलाम है. ये सबको मालूम है आप लोगों को. Since he is a very dear personality among us, so you all may know about some information about him. Let us sit down. Born on 15th October 1931 रामेश्वरम में वहाँ का जन्म हुआ था. Died 27 जुलाई 2015 शिलोंग जगह में उसका देहांत हुआ था. Full name Abdul Pakir Zainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh. These are the Prime Minister. Now awards: Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Hoover Medal, or more, and so on. He has got many awards. You can see on the screen also. Education: Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University, 1955, 1960, St. and more. You will be having this all information closely little bit later. And now see the different books. He was also a writer. He wrote different books, just like Agni Ki Udaan in 1999, India 2020, 1998, Ignited Minds 2002, Na Jivana Gamanam 2013. These are all the books that he has written for all the people of the world. Now let us move. Let us go through our APJ Abdul Kalam sir prosely. Let us have the information prosely. Now, in this Indian name, the name Abdul Pakir Zainulabdin is a patronymic, not a family name, and the person should be referred to him by Abdul Kalam. यह अब्दुल कलाम, ये जो लंबा नाम है वो पैट्रोनिमिक मतलब दिया गया हुआ नाम नहीं है. फैमिली नॉट अ फैमिली नेम नहीं है ये. सो हम लोग उसको अब्दुल कलाम करके, हम लोग सर अब्दुल कलाम करके हम लोग रिफ़र कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट अस गो थ्रू सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हिम. अब्दुल पाकिर ज़ैनुलाब्दीन Abdul Kalam was born in 15 October 1931, 27 July 2015, was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Now, dear student, here comes his birth date and his time of death when he died. And he was a aerospace scientist and politician. एरोस्पेस साइंटिस्ट का मतलब होता है ये जो अंतरिक्ष यान का जो उद्योग है उस पर वो काम भी करते थे, अथवा वहाँ पे वो सुपरवाइज करते थे. एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो द पॉलिटिशियन, राजनीतिज्ञ भी थे, who served as the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. 2002 से लेके 2007 तक वो इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट 11th प्रेसिडेंट भी रहा गया है. एंड ही वॉज रेज इन रामेश्वरम तमिलनाडु. रामेश्वरम तमिलनाडु में ये बड़ा हो गया. एंड स्टडी फिजिक्स एंड एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग. फिजिक्स और एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग उसने पढ़ा था. नाउ he spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Research Organization (ISRO). Now यहाँ पे after finishing the engineering, he spent next 4 decades. That means decades का मतलब होता है 10 वर्ष की अवधि, 10 साल. So ये 10 साल का जो नेक्स्ट 4 डिकेड्स का 4 into 10 40 ईयर्स उसने कहाँ पे अपना भूमिका निर्वाह किया अथवा कहाँ पे उसने टाइम स्पेंड किया है एज अ साइंस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, मेनली एट द डिफेंस DRDO और ISRO में उसने अपना योगदान दिया. And was intimately involved in Indian civilian space program and military missile development efforts. Missile development efforts में भी उसने योगदान दिया. वहाँ पे इंटीमेटली वो घनिष्ठ तरीके से वहाँ पे विस्तार पूर्वक वो वहाँ काम करने लगा. He thus came to be known as the missile man of India. Missile man of India हिंदी में मिसाइल कहते हैं. Missile man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle. Ballistic missile का मतलब होता है, ballistic का मतलब होता है जो फायर करके हवा में वायु में छोड़ा जाने वाला मिसाइल. एंड लॉन्च व्हीकल, ये दोनों में उसने डेवलपमेंट अथवा योगदान दिया. इसको उन्नति करने में डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम सर ने योगदान दिया. Launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. So he has given his time, or he has given his work over the nuclear test also. Now let us move, dear student, to another part. This one is the APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th President of India. Let us see in office what are there. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee Manmohan Singh, Vice President Krishna Kant Baharon Singh Shekhawat, preceded by K.R. Narayan, succeeded by Pratibha Patil. Now let us see his personal details. As we have seen some of his personal details before also, let us go through it again. Born as Abul Fakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam, 15th October 1931, Rameswaram, Madras Presidency, British India. Now died 27 July 2015, at the age of 83, Shillong, Meghalaya, India. Now let us see the resting place. P. Karambu Ground, Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, India. Alma Mater, St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli, B. English, Madras Institute of Technology, M. English. Now यहाँ पे Alma Mater का मतलब होता है the place where he studied, अथवा school, college, university, whatever it is, that is called Alma Mater. Profession, aerospace scientist, author also. He is also author. He is a writer also. So we are going to read his poem, My Mother, here. Awards: Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, 1981, 1990, 1997, 2009, 2013. So these are all the year and the different titles of the award that he got during his lifetime. Notable works: Wings of Fire, India, 2020, Ignited Minds, Indomitable Spirit, Transcendence, My Spiritual Experience with Pramukh Swamiji. Now these are all the notable works that he has given to the public and the awards that he has got during his lifespan. Signature is there, website is also there, scientific career, fields, aerospace engineering, institutions, defense research and development organization, Indian Space Research Organization. Now dear students, these were all the things, some information about our great well-known person, that was Sir Abdul Kalam. So you have got some information, you can make a short notes on him. You can write about him, write about his awards, write about his notable works, and so on. You can prepare a short essay on Sir Abdul Kalam. Now, today let us stop here. We are having only the information about our poet that has written our chapter 5, My Mother. That is a beautiful poem. We will be continuing our poem, My Mother, tomorrow or in our next class. Till then, dear student, have a great time, have a nice time, and thanks for listening the video. Thank you and bye bye.